guys, I'll come back to another video. So I'm just going to open what I think is nail mail and show you what's inside. So this was sent to me from Jade Barber, and it's her new acrylic system, just so I could try it. So I'm just going to open them all and show you what she's all sent. It comes in a gorgeous little bag. So I'll leave all Jade's details in the description below, but as I say, this has just been sent to me to try out. So we've got our acid free nail primer, we have some of her monomer, this is just peachy powder. So what I'll do is I will do another video about using this just to show you what it's like. This one is called a Glassy Rose powder. And then we have Ice Diamond powder, so I think this will be the clear. We have Winter White. Excuse the state of my nails, guys. I'm in the middle of actually doing up my whole nail room. And this one is called Plush Pink Powder. So as I said, what I'll do is I'll do a video of me using this and upload that as well, just to let you see what it's like to work with. But thank you very much, Jade, for sending me this to try, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.